the 10th of the month, which means it's time for your Buddy Check 10 reminder. Call up your buddy and remind them to do a breast self-exam and do one yourself. Early detection is key in the fight against breast cancer. Well, when it's time for a woman to go in for a mammogram, a multitude of factors can get in the way. Living in an area far away from the hospital, having a full-time job, or even the fear of getting the exam. But UT Medical Center is bringing the screening to people all over East Tennessee, and they say it's saving lives. Spanning across 4 parking spots, a bus with a pink ribbon gets breast cancer screenings in motion for women like Kelsey Lane.
Today I'm getting my very first mammogram with our mobile mammography unit. Truthfully, I'm going in with open expectations. I understand what a mammogram is. I'm expecting maybe a little pain, a little bit nervous about that, but I know the team will take good care of me.
This 35-year-old works for UT Medical, but had only ever heard of what happens beyond these doors. A quick question and answer with Tanya Henry gets the appointment rolling.
It's not like walking into a doctor's office. It's a little laid back out here. There are only a few people at a time, and it's just more of an intimate setting than going to the doctor.
But there's still privacy. So, as Kelsey changes, let's step outside and talk about the stats.
In 2025, we screened 4,075 women, and we had 20 breast cancers that came out of that. Because we go year after year, we meet them where they are annually. All of those cancer diagnoses were stage 0 and 1, which is the lowest stages.
That's the executive director of UT Medical's Cancer Institute, Susan Stinnett.
We say that we want to reach women where they live, work, worship, shop. We want to meet them where they are.
And that's exactly what they do. As the only existing mobile unit in East Tennessee, the team reaches 18 counties and even the most rural places.
There's so many counties that don't offer mammography screening for patients. So we want to go to them. We want to make it easy.
They also park at businesses like Rick McGill Airport Toyota. It's a visit close to manager Lisa Cecil's heart.
We've been partnering with the Breast Health Outreach Program for 10 years now. We give them a space to have their mobile unit here. And we also do donations to them yearly as well.
In fact, those donations equal over $125,000.
When it's saving a life, it's really not that much.
That has brought education, mammograms, reduced barriers to care to so many women in this area.
Back on the mobile unit, Kelsey is getting her mammogram with nurse tech Kelly. Once that wraps up, it's time to change and reflect.
Definitely more at ease. I understand what to expect. I now have a baseline for comparison for future exams, which is really helpful.
After a total of 15 minutes, her first exam is done and in the rear view. And if you would like to schedule a mammogram on that mobile unit, you can call the number at the bottom of your screen. That is 865-839-7426. You can find a full list of upcoming locations on UT Medical's website.